Well, the latest on the Mollywood Me Too movement. Well, for the first time, a senior BJP leader has spoken out on the controversy, and that to the BJP president. In fact, JP Nadda, while speaking at the 3-day RSS BJP event in Palakkad, BJP President JP Nadda, in fact, questioned the Kerala government over alleged complicity in this entire controversy. In fact, JP Nadda said, why was there a 5 to 6 year delay in the release of the Hema Committee report? He in fact also hinted at some sort of complicity and impunity with which the Kerala government is allowing the alleged predators to function in the film industry. Listen in to what he had to say.
Why the delay in the justice to the Hema Committee report? What is stopping them? The Hema Committee report? What stops you? What is haunting you? Because you are part and parcel of that. Something you want to hide.
The day of the election, I said there are unholy nexus between CPM in Kerala and the BJP. So the LDF convener met Prakash Javadekar, who is in charge of Prabari of the Kerala BJP. Why? And Chief Minister protected Jayarajan and said that I also met Prakash Javadekar many times. Why? Why the Chief Minister of Kerala? He is a Politburo member Kerala. Why he met the Prakash Javadekar? He is not a central minister. He is only the Prabari of the Kerala BJP. Why? For what purpose?
And Ishika Verma, in fact, is joining us live from Palakkad. So, Ishika, important there that both the BJP and the Congress questioning the left front government in Kerala. In fact, it's the first time that a senior BJP leader has spoken, on this controversy, and the BJP chief questioning the Kerala government also on the late release of the Hema Committee report.
Well, in fact, Vedant, as you rightly mentioned, this time it is JP Nadda who has reacted on the Hema Committee report and questioned the Kerala government over the delay. In fact, as we heard just now, JP Nadda questioned that who is it that the Kerala government wants to protect? Why was there a delay in releasing the Hema Committee report? Because, it was over around 5 years that it took for the Hema Committee report to be public. So, all of those issues today, in fact, JP Nadda has attacked the Kerala government and also the Chief Minister, saying that Chief Minister should also break his silence over this. So now, we are seeing that it is not just the Congress but also the BJP who continues to attack the Kerala government, and in fact, the Chief Minister himself has to come out and answer. And we are seeing that the agitations also, if we talk about it, the protests are being carried out by the Congress and the BJP on the streets of Kerala.